Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 36th Technique Tuesday.
All right.
So we are continuing on with our flip flaps extravaganza, and this week we are going to be focusing on
explosion flip flops.
Yes. So if you have no idea what that means, I guess we'll just see.
Just keep watching.
All right, here we go.
So as you can see here, we have the 4x4s already laid out on top of the page protector in a square design. If you are doing this with something like the 4x6s or the 3x4s, you're gonna have to make sure that you stay with the orientation and size of each flip flap. So what I mean by that is if you have the 4-inch going this way and the 3 inches going this way, when you flip it up, you're not gonna have a 4-inch space here, you're gonna have a 3-inch space. So this flip flap is then gonna have the inside as a 3-inch space, and then you're gonna follow that around.
Right. So this would be 3, this would be 4, this would be 3, and then this would be 4.
If that doesn't make sense to you, leave us a message in the comments and we will explain it more and we will post pictures. But if you're making this picture spot a 3x4 space and you're flipping them out, if you're using your flip flaps, you'll understand what we mean.
And as April said before, this middle part will be either a journaling spot or a picture spot, and that will be directly on your layout page. Everything else with the flip flops happens on top of your page protector.
And as you can see, we have the Versamat underneath to
help with the grid helps line it up. What we're gonna do here first is we're gonna place this flip flap down. I'm gonna move these out, and as you can see, this is gonna go down first, second, third, and fourth. So I'm gonna move these away. I'm gonna take my flip flap, and I'm gonna line it up when I do put it on here. I'm gonna line it up on the 8-inch line and the 4-inch line. So when you do your flip flap, you remember you have the pocket. This is a repeat, I know, but can't say it enough. And you take the adhesive strip off.
That's always very sticky. She can't get it off.
Can't get it off. And we want to make sure, like I said, that it's going to be on the 8-inch and the 4-inch. So right about here, I'm going to just do
and
it.
if it's not perfect, if it's not lined up, you're always going to just make that pocket anyway.
Yes.
It also will be a lot easier when you actually have the page done and you're putting it down.
Exactly. We're doing this without pictures and everything. And when you do it at home, you're going to have your layout with your pictures. So you'll follow wherever your picture is. Your picture could be in a corner, and you just follow wherever that would be. This is the second one. And now this is we're going to attach it this way. And you want to make sure that the flip flap number 1 will fold over it. So we're going to put this on this line. Let me get the adhesive off here. Sorry.
You can see in the reflection.
Oh, hello. Oh, that one was easy. Okay. And remember, it's folded over. We're going to put it. Whoops, I moved my flip flap there. Let me just make sure.
Really...
No, I know. I just want to make sure that I put it in the right spot where it folds. So I'm going to line this up.
And you got to make sure that you go to this fold
Yes.
area.
I'm going to line that up.
Perfect.
So now this, and that folds over. Now we're going to go to the next one. Fold it over. Take the adhesive off.
I'm trying not to shake the camera, so I'm sorry if I am. Oh, I missed it.
Sorry. And this is going to go this way to the edge.
And this one's actually easier to line up too because you can also use this one as
Right. You could use that
guide.
as a guide, and that you should use as a guide to make sure that you've got them even. So Thank you, Miss April, for your assistance. Because this actually does come over a little bit more. So
But you're not gonna.
you're not going to notice that, right? You're not going to notice. And then this one, the
It's
last
the easiest
flip
one. You just gotta
Wow.
make sure that it's.
Oh my goodness, these are very staticky today.
You just gotta make sure that it's going to be further down than these two.
Yes. Or we do the same thing. April, can you fold over the top one so I don't go too far up? And we're just going to line that up with that one. And do that. So now,
fold them all in.
now we can fold them all in. This one, this one, and that one.
Perfect. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect flip flaps. And that is Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed. If you have any more questions about anything, let us know. But we are excited about how our little explosion book came out.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want help keeping this shut, remember we always have the hook and loops, which are a great flip-flop friend. If you don't know what those are, maybe next week. Next week we will focus on our hook and loops. So yes, they're a fun little nifty friend of ours that we love, and they help you.
Keep
We'll
the
explain
flip-flops,
tomorrow.
yeah.
Tomorrow. Oh,
So-
next week. Oh, it's been a long day. We hope all of you mothers out there had a great Mother's Day this past weekend.
Mm-hmm.
And
No, I did.
and anything else. Thanks to all our new subscribers out there. And I guess that's it for this week. We will see you next Tuesday. And remember to tell all your friends to subscribe, or you subscribe to our blog. And that's it. All right.
Yeah.
We'll
See you next
Tuesday.
week. Bye.
Whoa.
Pong.
Fell out of the screen.
I
And
fell
then too
out.
lost.
Oh.
Would you like to elaborate on that more? Well, I guess she's not elaborating. And I guess that's it for tonight. Okay, tonight, today, whatever. And I guess that's it for No, my face hurts.